Hello and welcome. This presentation is brought to you by Ron with AI Strategist Hub. What I want to talk about today is a topic that a lot of business owners are hearing about right now: AI agents. You may have heard people talk about chatbots, automations, virtual assistants, and now AI agents. But the real question is simple: what is an AI agent and why does it matter for your business? By the end of this presentation, you will understand what an AI agent is, how it works, how it is different from a basic chatbot or automation, and how businesses can use AI agents to save time, respond faster, and stop losing opportunities. An AI agent is a software system that can understand information, make decisions, and take action to reach a goal. Let me say that in a simple way. A regular chatbot usually waits for a question and gives an answer. An AI agent can go further than that. It can look at a request, understand what needs to happen, decide the next step, and then use tools to complete a task. For example, an AI agent may read a customer message, decide that the customer is interested in booking an appointment, check the calendar, offer available times, and then schedule the appointment. That is why AI agents are powerful. They are not just answering questions, they are helping complete work. Now, let's break down how an AI agent works. There are four simple stages. First, the agent observes. That means it receives input. The input could be a customer message, a phone call, a form submission, a document, or data from a business system. Second, the agent reasons. It looks at the information and decides what should happen next. Third, the agent acts. This is where it can use tools. It may send an email, update a CRM, book an appointment, create a summary, or complete another task. Fourth, the agent can learn or improve. With feedback, memory, and better instructions, the system can become more useful over time. So the simple framework is observe, reason, act, improve. That is the basic engine behind an AI agent. One of the biggest mistakes people make is thinking that an AI agent is the same thing as a chatbot or basic automation. They are related, but they are not the same. A chatbot usually answers questions, it is mostly reactive. An automation follows preset steps. For example, when someone fills out a form, the system sends an email. That is useful, but it usually follows fixed rules. An AI agent works toward a goal. It can reason through the situation, decide what action makes sense, and use multiple tools to complete the work. For instance, a chatbot may answer, "Yes, we offer appointments." An automation may send a confirmation email after someone books. But an AI agent can qualify the lead, check availability, book the appointment, update the CRM, and notify the team. That is the difference. The agent is not just responding, it is helping move the business process forward. Every good AI agent needs the right structure. There are six core components. First, it needs a goal or instructions. The agent has to know what it is trying to accomplish. Second, it needs a reasoning engine. This is what allows the agent to understand information and choose the next step. Third, it needs memory or context. That helps it remember useful details and stay consistent across tasks. Fourth, it needs tools and integrations. This could include email, calendars, CRMs, websites, forms, search tools, or databases. Fifth, it needs workflow logic. This controls when the agent should act, what steps it should follow, and what decisions it should make. And sixth, it needs feedback and human approval. This is important because AI agents are powerful, but they still need oversight. The better these components are designed, the better the agent performs. Now, let's bring this into the real world. AI agents are not just theory, they can solve real business problems. One example is an AI receptionist. It can answer calls, qualify leads, and book appointments. Another example is a sales follow up agent. It can respond quickly, nurture leads, and update the CRM. A research agent can find information, summarize insights, and help with decision making. A content agent can help draft emails, social media posts, reports, and marketing assets. An operations agent can help with scheduling, reminders, and repetitive admin work. But here is the key point: the best results come from starting with one clear business problem. Do not try to automate everything at once. Start with one problem, solve it well, then expand. AI agents have real benefits, but they also have limits. Let's start with the benefits. They can work 24/7. They can respond faster than a human team. They can improve consistency. They can scale repetitive work, and they can free up human time so your team can focus on higher value tasks. But AI agents are not magic. They need clear instructions. They can make mistakes. They need guardrails. They need good integrations. And human review is still important. What I want people to understand is this: AI agents are powerful, but they perform best with strategy, structure, and oversight. The businesses that win with AI are not just using tools, they are building systems. So, how should a business start using AI agents? Here is a simple 5 step framework. Step one: pick one repetitive task. Start with something that wastes time, slows the team down, or causes missed opportunities. Step two: define the goal and desired outcome. Be clear about what success looks like. Step three: connect the tools and data the agent needs. For example, your calendar, CRM, email, website form, or customer database. Step four: add guardrails and human review. Decide when the AI can act on its own and when a person should approve the action. Step five: measure results and improve. Track response time, booked appointments, saved hours, lead conversion, and customer experience. The big takeaway is this: start simple, solve one business problem well before expanding. This presentation was brought to you by AI Strategist Hub, where we help businesses design practical AI agent systems that create real results.